So, I'm going to whiz the camera around and show you where I am, because I've been climbing for quite a bit now. And that's the Schlossberg. And there's the path. Now this is where you have to be mentally tough in life. This is where a lot of people give up on goals. You know, they've been working hard to get somewhere and they're very, very close to achieving it and they quit. And this just reminded me of that I was just going to stop there at the bottom, and I thought, no, you've come all this way, you have to go and do the last little bit. So that's what I'm going to do. Get up to the top here and get in the Schlossberg. And we'll see what's in there. So we're very close now. This is the most remote part of this walk. And I've just been looking, and I looked on the internet there and it said there's the stairway that I took. There is a lift. And then there's something called I think it was a funicular, but I don't know what that is. So here we go. Something about Rudolf Hans Bartsch, author of short stories, officer in the Vienna War Archives. I don't know why I've got a little plaque to him here. But stunning set of views. And I came all this way up to see inside the Schlossberg, and look, the bloody thing's shut and locked, and I can't even get in. That's bollocks, isn't it? Having done all of that, you can't even get in. Do you know whose fault that is? It's mine, because I never done my research properly. Now there is another little path round to the left here, so it's worthwhile taking a wee stroll round here to see if we can get in that way. Maybe it's just that little gate that's locked. So we'll have a wee look round here. And if it's not here, I'm not going to go anywhere else. I've given it a good crack. I'm interested to see how many sets of stairs that the Fitbit says I've climbed today. I set myself a target a number of years ago to make sure I did 10,000 steps every day. And some days I just miss it, but most days I exceed it by quite a bit. And I think when I look back over the last at least 5 years, my average steps are over 10,000 a day on average, so I'm pleased that I'm achieving another goal. Let's see, here's the museum, the Schlossberg. €5 to get in and look at the building. I never was going to go inside. I just want to do a quick walking tour to let you guys see what's here. I don't know what the three woolly things are. Do you remember was it the thing out the Addams Family? Was that what it was called? Or was Thing the Hand? What was the thing that just looked like a pile of hair in the Addams Family, or the Monsters? I can't remember. Maybe one of you'll know, but that looks like there's 3 of them there, whatever it is. So there you go. That's Schlossberg. I hope it was worth the walk. I hope you enjoyed that. Time to head back, and we'll see you at the bottom where we'll pick up the walking tour of Graz. Well, it looks like technology is failing me today. The iPhone's overheated, it won't show me the map, it won't recharge, so I think I'm just going to have to wing it and just have a walk about and see what I see. So hopefully you'll enjoy what I come across. So let's go and see what's happening. You know, I'm really loving life at the minute. It's just so refreshing to be able to do whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do it. And I know everyone's in that position, and people say it's okay for you, you're lucky, but you know, it's a bit of planning, a bit of forward planning, and you know, suffering a bit of pain on the way to get where you need to be. But it's just so nice to be able to do whatever you want, whenever you want, go places. And you know, the hardest decision in life is do I move on or do I have another cold beer? And in this case, I decided to have another cold beer. So cheers everyone. I hope you're all well and enjoying your lives. Slanger. So, Houston, we have a problem. iPhone's overheated, can't get it open, so I have no access to maps, no access to my bank cards, can't get into anything, and it just shows you how reliant we are on our phones these days. So I can't see the map, I don't know the route that we had planned, so I'm going to have to just wing it and wander. The other problem is that don't make the mistake of enjoying a beer so much that you then decide to have another one or two, because all your plans go out the window. So I'm now having to wing it. I don't know, with no map, no idea where I'm going, and 3 sheets to the wind. But anyway, I'm having fun, we're enjoying it, and I hope you are too. So let's just wander and see what we find, and literally we're running blind here. We have got no clue where I'm going to go next. So let's just go with the flow. I hope you enjoy it.